Ever found the perfect sample only to realize it's in the wrong key? In this year, if your tracks aren't in harmony, your listeners will know. And today I'm showing you the two fastest ways to shift pitch in FL Studio, one for audio samples and one for MIDI, so you can stay in key every time. So firstly, let's pick a sample. You need to double click your audio clip to open the channel settings. And when you're there, make sure to find the stretching section and change the mode to Stretch Pro. This keeps your timing perfect while you change the pitch. And then find the pitch knob, each 100 cents. You need to turn in one semitone. In the update of this year, you can right-click the pitch knob and select Set to Key to let FL's AI instantly match it to your project's root node. No more manual path. And after that, just open up your piano roll with F7 and then just press Ctrl-A to select all your notes. You can use Shift plus up or down arrow to move your entire melody up or down by a full octave. And use Alt plus up or down arrow to move it semitone by semitone. If you need to transpose multiple patterns at once, go to the channel rack, select your instruments, and use the transpose selected menu to shift your entire project's key in one click. And after that, your tracks should be perfectly in tune. If this production hack helped you find your key today, smash that like button and subscribe.